Innovation. It is the core of our DNA. It fosters creativity and problem solving, enables us to do things we could once only dream of. It is the key to staying ahead of the competition and in front of your needs. For more than 60 years, Vanco has helped millions of medical and consumer customers live better, safer, healthier, more convenient lives. As the leader in custom medical devices and components, flexible packaging, and contract manufactured solutions, we provide the technology, creativity, experience, and innovation needed to take your ideas from concept to commercialization as quickly as possible. With decades of experience behind us, you can be confident your products will exceed the industry's highest quality standards while being delivered on time and within budget. From small custom-engineered solutions to large-scale assembly and production, if you need innovative end-to-end product development through commercialization, our dedicated team of associates is ready to satisfy all of your complex engineering and supply chain needs. Where others might run from a challenge, we run towards it. That's why we're uniquely capable of turning your concept into a commercial solution. As a result of our success, we're able to engage the world's leading brands to manufacture the best possible solutions in state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities, where timely delivery and unparalleled customer service are the cornerstones of how we measure success. We're driven by core values like innovation, satisfaction, and results. We're constantly investing in people, the latest technologies, capabilities, and manufacturing capacity. At Vanco, you can be assured of one thing: we care more about your success, about your customers' health and safety, and about the future of our planet. Isn't it time you learned more about Vanco and how our innovation can drive your success?